Alright, what's up? It's Iceman. Just doing just got some mail. Gotta love when you get packages in the mail. And just doing some unboxing here. I'm going to start with this one first because I have an idea what this is. Gotta do the obligatory, what knife are you using to open the package, right? Oh yeah, I shredded that package. Oh, Mr. Spyderco. What do we have here? Ooh. Would you look at that? The ultra rare, don't even know they exist, Paramilitary 2 black on black. The DLC blade. This lock's a little stiffer, it still flips open nicely. Been waiting for one of these for a long time. Had a couple pair 2s and I ended up selling or doing a trade for one and regretted it. So I've always wanted this black on black, and what I think I'm going to do is have some carbon fiber scales made. Probably by Gator Scales. I know they're one of the few that does the pair 2 scales because they're milled liners. So sweet. The main reason why I did this though, because I'm doing this for the Order of Kai guys, because Mr. JHyde from the Order of Kai, which stands for Kershaw on Bladeforums, in case you guys didn't know that, decided, he just randomly said, hey, what's your home address, and I'm going to ship you something. So I have no idea what's in this box, and we're going to find out right now. So let's see. I like to save these boxes and reuse them, just because I'm lazy and I want to go to the post office. So got a little tape here. I guess I could have used the pair 2 to do this, but considering it's from a member of the Order of Kai, I want to make sure I use a Kershaw made knife. And we got, ooh, it looks like a knife of something. We got a note here. Congrats on the promotion, Jackson. Wow, that is so awesome. That is so cool, dude. Just got a new job promotion, and it's been kind of a long time in the, actually really not promotion, a new job altogether, but it is a pretty big promotion. So that was really awesome of you, man. I really appreciate that. That's really kind, and that's one of the reasons why Bladeforums is so awesome, because you get random gifts in the mail from members that you didn't ask for. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, Kershaw Turbulence 1790. There you go. Speed assist. Yeah, it's a nice stonewash on the blade. Cool, man. That's awesome. Really appreciate that. It's Tim Gallien design. Definitely a big fan of Kershaw knives. The speed assist, that's cool. That is pretty awesome. Thanks, JHyde. I appreciate you thinking of me and getting that job promotion. I've been pretty frustrated with my current employer, so awesome. That's pretty awesome. That's what Bladeforums is all about. There's a lot of good people on there, and you know, that little note, that makes pretty much made my day, bro. I appreciate that. So thanks again for the free knife. That's pretty awesome. So anyway, quick little unboxing. Got a couple of one unexpected knife, didn't know what was coming, and then I got this pair of 2 that I knew was coming, and they're just super rare and hard to find right now for some reason. So especially this black DLC blade, and I got it for a decent price on from Amazon, I believe. So pretty sweet. Gotta love knife day and a knife in the mail days. Gotta love going to the mailbox and getting a knife in the mail. That's awesome. And today I got 2 instead of 1. We'll do a little comparison right here. God, I'm having a hard time with my camera angle today. There we go. Pretty sweet. Alright, that's it. Thanks.